Hello! In this video, we will identify different types of triangles. One type of triangle is a scalene triangle. All three sides have different lengths. Because the sides are different lengths, there is one line on one side, two lines on the second side, and three lines on the third side. All the angles are also different. Because there are different angles, there is one line on one angle, two lines on the second angle, and three lines on the third angle. This is an equilateral triangle. Its three sides are all the same length. That's why there is one line on each side. The three angles are all 60 degrees. The angles are equal, so there is only one curved line in each angle. Here is a right triangle. A right triangle has one right angle, or a corner that is 90 degrees. A right angle forms a square corner. The longest side is always the one that is across from the right angle. Another kind of triangle is an isosceles triangle. Two of its sides are the same length. Two of its angles are also equal. These angles will always be across from the equal sides. This triangle is an acute triangle. All the angles are less than 90 degrees. The last type of triangle is an obtuse triangle. See this angle? It measures more than 90 degrees. That's how you know this is an obtuse triangle. Now you can identify different types of triangles. See you next time.